Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more quick Google Sheets tips and tricks. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to sort your data by multiple columns in Google Sheets. Sorting like this can completely transform messy spreadsheets into something clean, logical, and easy to analyze. First, open up your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside, head up to the menu bar and click on Data. From the drop-down menu, choose Sort Range. Now, click on Advanced Range Sorting options. This is where the magic happens. Select your primary column. This will be the main column Google Sheets uses to arrange your data. Then, click Add another sort column to bring in your secondary column, and even a third if you need it. For each column, choose A to Z if you want ascending order or Z to A for descending. Once you've got everything set up exactly how you want it, click Sort and instantly your spreadsheet will be reorganized based on your chosen priorities. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can turn chaotic data into something organized and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little spreadsheet magic.